Refreshing lemonade recipe.
Hello, refreshing students. Today, we will learn how to make a cool and refreshing lemonade. Lemonade is a popular drink, especially during the hot summer days.
Let's start making.
Ingredients:
4 lemons, 1 cup of sugar, 5 cups of water,
ice cubes,
mint leaves for garnish, optional. Instructions: 1. Start by squeezing the juice from the lemons into a jug. 2. In a saucepan, combine the sugar and 1 cup of water. 3.
Heat the mixture over medium heat until the sugar has dissolved completely. 4.
Pour the sugar syrup into the jug with the lemon juice. 5. Add the remaining 4 cups of water to the jug and mix well.
6.
Refrigerate the lemonade for at least 1 hour to cool.
7. Serve the lemonade over ice cubes and garnish with mint leaves if you like. 8. Enjoy your cool and refreshing lemonade.